Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Lexus RX. First, make sure your Lexus RX is safely parked and the ignition is on. Then, navigate to the menu button on your vehicle's dashboard or touchpad, then select the Setup menu on your infotainment screen. From there, select the Bluetooth option. This will allow your car to search for nearby devices and prepare for pairing. Next, grab your phone and open its Settings menu, then enable Bluetooth. Your phone will start searching for devices. You should see your Lexus RX appear in the list of available devices. Select it. A pairing code will display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm these codes match to proceed with the connection. Once paired, your phone may ask for permission to access contacts and messages. Grant these permissions for full functionality. To ensure everything is working, try making a quick phone call. You can also adjust audio settings for both calls and media playback directly through your Lexus Infotainment system to personalize your experience. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system often resolves them. You can also try deleting any previous pairings from both devices and starting the connection process fresh. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.